It's knockout football today, and look, we're just going to go for it.
The conditions were very hot out there, so I think we really emptied the tanks there, and the girls that come on made a huge difference, and they were the bodies we needed and the energy we got.
Shin Farley Shin Painter Dun Gietsko.
Yeah, it was tough. It's tough conditions here today. It's really hot.
Shoot, agus right could you go look here, agus I never had in a tunnel here. Like Kennedy.
Yeah, it was immensely tough. It's probably something we've practiced the last few weeks. We've said the goals have been matches, and we probably would have been disappointed in the Armagh game. We left a few behind us, so we would have worked a lot about just composure and on the ball.
Burn, Farley got it 3 but Knapper comes in, got hold in their fob.
And look, I was just in the right spot, the right place, and I managed to place it, but the hard work was done by EBG, who won the kick out and came on with the ball all the way.
Yeah, I'm just so glad that we came out on top. We've been training really hard and trying to improve on all our performances.
Friday, Shane Reese got a tacht amach agus tá bail a bit again, so
I think we just told ourselves to literally put the boot down, keep going to the very end, and don't look at the scoreboard and just keep tipping away at the scores.
Goed gestachen Sonneke agus doan Sage Maria Monica McCork agus tá cool.
Probably annoyed with the goal that went in the second half. That probably took us a little bit of momentum out of us, but we're very proud of the team, the way we put it up to them.
Rinke Timpel in the Cossentorian Son agus and fell or
In fairness to our girls, we stuck by the game plan, and you know, we let them kind of bag into in the last 10 minutes, but we stood up, and I couldn't be happier. Very proud of the girls.
Komt enemy. Na Korean takas on the registration about the Caru Canish event to machen so.